I am moving to worksheet 4, question number 3. The question is, the curved surface area of cylinder is 1320 centimeter square and its base has a radius of 10.5 centimeter. Find the height of the cylinder. We have to find the height of the cylinder. Now, let's see. We know that the curved surface area of cylinder is 2 pi RH. The formula is 2 pi RH. And it's given, this is 1320. That means 2 into 22 by 7. R we know, that is 10.5, and height we don't know. So I'm going to transpose all these things to this side. This can be written as 1320 multiplied by 7. Now in place 10.5, 22 into 2 is equals to h. Now let's cancel these two things. So we'll get here, going to cancel by the table of 2. Then by the table of 22. Now I'm going to change this decimal place. So this can be written as 330 into, this is 105, and in place of decimal we will write here 10. This is equals to h. Now I'm going to cancel by the table of 7. By the table of 15. So 20 centimeter. Therefore the height of cylinder is 20 centimeter. Let's see question number 4 of the same worksheet. The circumference of the base of a cylinder is 176 centimeter and its height is 65 centimeter. Find its lateral surface area. The lateral surface area means we have to find the curved surface area, and it's given the circumference of the base. That means this part, the red part, this is given 176 centimeter. Now we have to find the lateral surface area, means we have to find the curved surface area, and the formula for the curved surface area is 2 pi RH. That means we want R and H, the value of radius and the value of height, but right now we have the value of height only. So I'm going to use the circumference of the base. Let's see. So I can write here, circumference of base is given 176 centimeter. Now circumference means this is the circle, and circumference, the formula for the circumference of the circle is 2 pi r. So this is 176 centimeter. What we have to find? We have to find the lateral surface area. Lateral surface area means we have to find the curved surface area. So lateral surface area is 2 pi RH. So in place of this 2 pi r, I am going to write here 176, because it's given 2 pi r is equals to 176 and the height is 65. So let's multiply it and we will get, so this will be 11440 centimeter square. So we'll write here, therefore the lateral surface area of cylinder is. So let's see the next question, that is question number 8. The length of the roller is 40 centimeter and its diameter is 21 centimeter. It takes 300 complete revolution to move once over to label the floor of a room. Find the area of room in meter square. We have to find it in meter square. So what we will do, we will find this in meter square. That means we want these centimeters into meter. First we will change these into meter. So it will be 40 by 100 meter. Now since the length of the roller is given, that means that is the height of the cylinder, and the roller, if the roller is going to move in a room or the floor of the room, that means its curved surface part, that means this part is going to move in on the floor of the room. So we have to find only the curved surface area of this cylinder. Since these two parts is not going to touch the floor, only the curved surface part will touch the floor. So we have to find the curved surface area, and it's given कि we have to find the area into meter square. So we'll change all these into meter. So this can be written as meter. Now first we have to find the area of floor of room. That will be equal to number of revolution, and this is the formula. This is the formula that if we have to find the area of the room, the number of revolution into the curved surface area of roller. That means this will be number of revolution 300, and the curved surface area, since the shape is cylinder, so it will be 2 pi r h. That means 300 multiplied by 2 into 22 by 7, and the radius is 21 by 2 into 100, and height is 40 by 100. So I'm going to cancel it. This 2, 7 3 are 21, and this 0, this 0. So I'll get here 3 into 22 into 3 into 4 by 10. This will be 72 by 10. This can be written as 79.2 meter square. So at the last we will write, therefore the area of room is 79.2 meter square. Let's see question number 11. Question is, a cylindrical well 21 meter deep, its outer and inner diameters are 21 meter and 14 meter. Find the cost of renovating the inner curved surface area as well as the outer curved surface area at the rate of rupees 25 per meter square. So we want the inner curved surface area, that is this part, as well as we want the outer curved surface area, that means the outer part. And if you will see the upper view of this well, it will be look like this. This is the diameter, that is the outer diameter, this is the outer diameter, and this is the small inner diameter. So here this is the inner diameter. I have just drawn the picture of upper side, upper view of this well. So this is 21 meter, that means we want the radius is 21 by 2 meter, and this is 14 meter, so it will be 14 by 2, that is 7 meter. We have to renovate it in the inner curved also and the outer curved also. So the curved surface area to be renovated will be curved surface area for renovation will be equal to the outer curved surface area plus inner curved surface area. Outer curved surface area is 2 pi capital RH, because I have taken outer radius as capital R, and inner will be 2 pi small r h. Now this can be written as 2 into 22 by 7. R is 21 by 2 and the height is 21, plus 2 into 22 by 7. This is 7 and this is 21. So cancel. We are left with 22 into 21. I am going to take out common. You can multiply here and multiply this side also and add it. What I am going to do, I am going to taking out the common so that my calculation become little bit easier. I am going to take out this 22 and 21, 22 and 21 out from these two terms. So the left is 3 plus 2. You can multiply this part, solve it, multiply this part, solve it, and then add these two. You will also get the same answer. So this can be written as 22 into 21 into 5. That means this will be 110. I have multiplied this 22 and 5 into 21. So I'll get here 2310 meter square. Now we have to find the cost of renovation. So the cost of renovation will be equal to rate multiplied by the curved surface area. So the rate is rupees 25 and the curved surface area is 2310. That is this one. This is, and if I'll multiply it, I will get here rupees 57750. So at last you will write there that therefore the cost of renovating the inner curved surface area and the outer curved surface area is rupees 557,750.